Hi viewer, welcome back to our channel LifeZoneVideo. Today, we are going to discuss about the health benefits of chia seeds, along with who should avoid, also how we can use them in our daily life. Let's explore it by adding this miracle seed in your daily routine and see the difference. Chia seeds are small, nutrient-dense seeds that come from the Salvia hispanica plant. Despite their tiny size, chia seeds pack a nutritional punch and offer several health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of chia seeds. 1. Rich in nutrients. Chia seeds are an excellent source of essential nutrients, including fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. 2. High in fiber. Chia seeds are particularly high in soluble fiber, which can help improve digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and contribute to a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are important for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. Hydration. When mixed with liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like substance due to their high fiber content. This gel can help retain water, keeping you hydrated and potentially enhancing athletic performance. 4. Antioxidant properties. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to various chronic diseases. 5. Bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are essential minerals for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 6. Blood sugar regulation. The soluble fiber in chia seeds can help slow down the absorption of sugar, leading to better blood sugar control. This may be beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. 7. Weight management. Due to their high fiber and protein content, chia seeds can contribute to a feeling of fullness, potentially reducing overall calorie intake and supporting weight management. 8. Gluten-free and versatile. Chia seeds are naturally gluten-free, making them a suitable addition to gluten-free diets. They are also versatile and can be easily incorporated into various dishes, such as smoothies, yogurt, puddings, and baked goods. 9. Easy to include in the diet. Chia seeds have a mild, nutty flavor and can be easily added to a variety of dishes without significantly altering the taste. They can be sprinkled on salads, added to cereals, or mixed into beverages. While chia seeds offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume them as part of a balanced and varied diet. As with any food, moderation is key, and individuals with specific dietary concerns or medical conditions should consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to their diet. While chia seeds are generally considered safe and nutritious for most people, there are specific groups who may need to exercise caution or avoid chia seeds altogether. 1. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to chia seeds. If you have a known allergy to seeds or other similar foods, it's advisable to avoid chia seeds and consult with a healthcare professional for guidance. 2. Gastrointestinal issues. Chia seeds are high in fiber, and for some people, consuming large quantities of fiber can cause gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea. If you have sensitive digestion or a history of gastrointestinal issues, start with a small amount of chia seeds and gradually increase the intake while monitoring your body's response. 3. Swallowing difficulties. Chia seeds can absorb a significant amount of liquid and form a gel-like consistency. In individuals with difficulty swallowing or certain medical conditions affecting the esophagus, consuming dry chia seeds without adequate liquid may pose a choking hazard. It is recommended to mix chia seeds with liquid before consumption to avoid this risk. 4. Medication interactions. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have blood-thinning properties. If you are taking blood-thinning medications or have a bleeding disorder, consult your healthcare provider before incorporating large amounts of chia seeds into your diet to avoid potential interactions. 5. Low blood pressure. Chia seeds may have a blood pressure lowering effect due to their omega-3 fatty acid content. Individuals with already low blood pressure should be cautious, as excessive consumption of chia seeds may further reduce blood pressure levels. 6. Diverticulitis. Some healthcare professionals recommend caution with small seeds, including chia seeds, for individuals with diverticulitis. However, research on this topic is limited, and individual responses may vary. 6. If you have diverticulitis or concerns about small seeds, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into various dishes to boost their nutritional content. Here are some creative ways to use chia seeds in your daily life. 1. Chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with your choice of milk, dairy or plant-based, and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. The seeds will absorb the liquid and create a pudding-like consistency. Add sweeteners, fruits, or flavorings to customize the taste. Smoothies. Blend chia seeds into your morning smoothie for an extra nutrient boost. The seeds will add thickness and a slight crunch to the texture. 2. Yogurt topping. Sprinkle chia seeds over your favorite yogurt for added crunch and nutritional benefits. Combine with fruits, nuts, or granola for a delicious parfait. Eat oatmeal or cereal. Stir chia seeds into your morning oatmeal or cereal for added texture and nutritional value. Top with fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. 4. Salad booster. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of salads to add a nutrient boost. They blend well with various salad ingredients and contribute a subtle, nutty flavor. 5. Baking. Incorporate chia seeds into your baking recipes, such as muffins, pancakes, or energy bars. They can add nutritional value and a delightful crunch. 6. Homemade jam. Make a healthier version of jam by mixing chia seeds with mashed berries and a sweetener of your choice. Let it sit in the refrigerator until it thickens. 7. Chia water. Add chia seeds to water, fruit juice, or flavored beverages. Let the seeds soak for a few minutes and you'll have a hydrating and slightly textured drink. 8. Egg substitute. Create a vegan-friendly egg substitute by mixing 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for a few minutes until it forms a gel, then use it in recipes that call for eggs. 9. Homemade granola. Mix chia seeds into your homemade granola recipe for an extra nutritional boost. Bake the granola as usual and enjoy it with yogurt or milk. 10. Chia-infused water or tea. Add chia seeds to your water or herbal tea for a refreshing and hydrating beverage. The seeds will add a fun texture to your drink. Remember to start with small amounts of chia seeds and gradually increase as needed. Incorporating them into your diet gradually allows your digestive system to adjust to the increased fiber intake. Additionally, be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day when consuming chia seeds, as they absorb water and may help keep you hydrated. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and healthy.